Hey guys, it's Dill. Thank you all for the fantastic response to my video coming back. To be honest, I wasn't sure if I was actually gonna come back. I thought maybe this was gonna be a one and done thing and I was just gonna stop after that video. But all the positive reception I've received on Discord, on YouTube, just inspired me to come back. So thank you to everybody. And then a special thank you to Zen Nation. She gave me a shout out on YouTube, and that means a lot. So go sub to her and go follow her on Twitch. She's the Zeninator on Twitch, and I'm pretty active in her chat. So if you ever want to talk, just pop in there, and I'm probably in there. Or you can friend me on Discord. And this exhibit was meant for cockatiels, but I had to leave the game for a little bit, and when I came back, they despawned. So I kind of had to just ditch the cockatiels and put in kookaburras, but it's okay with me. I think kookaburras a lot cooler anyway, so. And right here you see me trying to make, like, bird perches out of tees in these pillars, because I didn't have those really useful logs unlocked yet, which is kind of annoying, but I'll get through it. That reminds me of so I feel like I'm not really sure if I'm going to continue this zoo for a lot longer. Maybe for a few more episodes, but like I kind of miss Freeform. The freedom, the decision. You could just build whatever you want, and that might become a new series, and that also puts me on another topic of well, I talked about one collab in my last video. Well, there might be another one, and this one's a bit in the UCZ style. I know what you're thinking. Oh, all you used to post was the UCZ style content, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. But I kind of miss it, to be honest. Even though it can be annoying sometimes, I kind of miss it. And it's a smaller project, and I figured out, hey, why don't I help them out and share their little thing they have going on. But then again, how much can I do? I only have, few subs. But that doesn't matter. As long as I'm having fun. And here, I'm building a path, obviously. Then I play some Juniper. And like I said in my last video, it's kind of unescapable for me to. English is hard. Juniper's kind of like my plant that I spam. I've kind of noticed everybody has 3 or 4 plants that they spam all over their zoo or spam all over an area to keep like a theme going or to hide the background, because let's face it, some of Zoo Tycoon 2's backgrounds are kind of ugly. Some of them are okay, but some of them aren't. And here I'm looking for my next animal, which is also a bird, but it almost was like this weasel kind of thing. I kind of forget what it's called, and I also kind of forget what the bird is called, but it's from Morocco, and I'm not entirely sure where I got it. Maybe the Middle East pack, but I could be very wrong. And here I'm looking for it, and I almost built an exhibit for those deers, but I said, I don't really feel like it. And there's the weasel thing. Now, this original shape I kind of hated, so I made it into like a hexagon. And then I made my little border fence, which I've been doing lately. I used to not do it, and I kind of like it, so I'm going to keep doing that. And then I was looking at them, and I'm thinking, oh yeah, this is going to be a great idea, so I create more of the perches, and I do a little mixing of the dirt and plants and all that jazz, which every Zoo Tycoon has to spam plants, or you're not playing the game, right? If your computer lags, you know you're playing the game, right? And then I realize, oh wait, this animal's pretty big and it probably won't fit. So I'm playing around a little bit, and then I decided on this bird, which I kind of forget what it's called because I can't really see the name because of my editing program, but I know it's from Morocco, which it's a pretty cool place. Hopefully we get eggs from them soon. And then I'm just creating a gate and all the stuff that the zookeepers, who I still haven't placed, need to go into. I'll probably get one next episode and name him and do all that stuff. And then here, I notice, oh no, my cockatiels have despawned, so I place some kookaburras, which, to be honest, I'd rather see in a zoo than cockatiels, because cockatiels are kind of boring. So, kookaburras are a little boring too, but cockatiels you could go to your local pet store and see, and kookaburras, sure, they're common in zoos, but, like, you don't see them every day. So here, I'm looking for an animal to build for, and then I decide on making another big ungulate pen. So this first one, that's tiny, and I realize, whoa, that is way too small. So I think I do end up extending it, yeah. And I think it's still a little bit small, but I'll probably expand it in the next few episodes when I have a bit more money. Now this pen's going to be for some African ungulates. It's going to be for Impala and Chris's Dik Dik. And I think I have 2 Impala mods and 3 Dik Dik mods. Sometimes when you download mods, you don't realize what you have until you're just randomly scrolling through your stuff and you're like, oh, why do I have 3 of that? But I usually justify it saying, oh yeah, they're different subspecies or blah blah blah. I know, kind of irresponsible on my PC because one day my PC is just gonna blow up because of the amount of mods I have in, but oh well. That day hasn't happened yet, so. And then, yeah, there's the Impala, and there's the Dik Dik. And now we're heading to the tail end of the video, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy everything else I put out in the near future. I think I'm going to start streaming soon, probably some Zoo Tycoon 2, probably some other games, and I hope you guys enjoy that. And I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe, like, or don't. Just do whatever. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.